Okay. Good morning, children. So today we are going to see continuation of find the quotient and the remainder. Okay. Now we are going to solve the fourth Roman where you will be having 5-digit number and you are going to divide it using 1-digit number. Okay. So now first what you should do, whenever you want to divide, you should put the division table. And here look at this number. This is 24,658 divided by 2. So 2 is the divisor that you are going to use to divide 24,658. So what you should do? You should write this dividend 24,658 inside and 2 outside. Now what you should do? You should start telling two tables and you should start solving the first highest place value number. Here see, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000 is the highest place value and there you have 2. Now what you should do? You should start telling two tables because the outer one divisor is 2, so you should start telling two tables and you should get 2. Now we'll start telling two tables. 2 ones are 2, right? So 2 multiplied with 1 gives you what? 2. You got 2, so you can stop with that. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. So when you subtract 2 from 0, 2 minus 2 is 2 and you have to subtract 2 from it. So 1, 2. What is the remaining? 0. So you will get 0. Then what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 4. Now you got 4 and what you should do? You should start telling two tables till you get 4 or less than 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now what you should do? You should subtract them, right? So 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is remaining? 0. So you will write 0 here. Then what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 6. And what you should do? You should start telling the divisor table, which is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 multiplied with 3 gives you 6. Right. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. 6 minus 6. So you have 6 and you have to subtract 6 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many is remaining? 0. So you will put 0 here. Now the next number down, which is 5. And you should start telling two tables till you get 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Now you know that 5 lies between 4 and 6. 4, 5 and 6, right? 5 lies between 4 and 6 and you are not getting 5. So what you should do? You should go here, you have 2 into 3s are 6. 6 is greater than 5. So you cannot use this one. So you will go to the number before, which is 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. You have 5 and you are going to subtract 4 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is remaining? 1. So 1 you will write down. And what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 8. Now you got 1 from the subtraction 5 minus 4 and 8 from here. Now what you should do? You should start telling two tables again. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So 2 multiplied with 9 gives you 18. And when you subtract 18 from 18, you will get 0. When you subtract the same number, you will get 0 as your answer, right? Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to divide one more sum. Here, what is your quotient? Quotient is equal to ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 12,329. And your remainder is, look at here, what is the remainder? You got 0. So 0 is your remainder. So I am going to solve one more sum in this, and the rest of the two sums will be your homework. Okay. So now, second question. 14,005 divided by 7. So here you see there is a division symbol and a number before that and a number after that. Now what you should do? You should first put the division table and you should write the dividend. You know that number before the division symbol is what? Dividend, right? So you will write the dividend inside. So 14,005, and which is the divisor here? 7, right? So you will put the 7 outside. Now what you should do? You should look into the highest place value number. Here 1, 2, units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 10,000 is the highest place value number. So what you should do? You should start telling 7 tables till you get 1. See, 7 ones are 7. 7 is greater than 1, right? Really, 7 is greater than 1. So what you should do? You should go to the number before. So before 1, what is the number is there? 0. So 7 into 0 is equal to 0. So 7 multiplied with 0 gives you 0. Then what you should do? You should subtract them. So 1 minus 0. If you subtract any number from 1, you will get from 0, you will get the same number. So when you subtract 1 from 0, you will get 1 itself. And what you should do? You should bring the next number down, which is 4. So you will bring the 4 down. Now what you should do? You should start telling 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 7 multiplied with 2 gives you 14. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. 14 minus 14 is 0. Any number, if you subtract the same number from same number, you will get 0. So now what you should do? You should bring the next number down. You got 0. So you should start telling 7 tables. See, 7 ones are 7. 7 is really greater than 0. So what you should do? You should go to the number before, which is 0. 7 zeros are 0. So 7 multiplied with 0 gives you 0. Next what you should do? You should bring the next number down. 0 minus 0, you know, 0, right? And you got 0 here. And again you got 0. So what you should do? 7 multiplied with 0 gives you 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Now what you should do? You should bring the next number down. And you got 5 here. Now what you should do? You should start telling 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 is greater than 5, right? 5, then 6 and then 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So you cannot use 7 ones are 7. So the number before, the table before 7 ones are is 7 zeros are 0. So 7 multiplied with 0 gives you 0. And now what you should do? You should subtract them. 5 minus 0 is any number. If you multiply, subtract from 0, you will get the same number, right? So when you subtract 5 minus 0, you will get 5 as it is. Now you can write remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is the number in the down, which is 5, and the quotient is the number on the top, right? So here see, first 0 you don't have to consider. The zeros before a number is nothing. Okay, so but the zeros after a number should be considered. So here you have 2, 1, 2, 3 units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2000 is your answer. Okay, now we are going to see word problems. Okay, so the rest of the sums, 2 sums will be your homework. You have to finish it and send it to me. Now we will start with the wording problems. First one in page number 18, 5th Roman, you will be seeing a wording problems. A tailor has 18 meters of cloth. He can stitch 9 shirts from this cloth. Find the length of cloth required to stitch 1 shirt. So first one, tailor has 18 meters and he can stitch 9 shirts. You want to know how many meter will a shirt, 1 shirt require. Okay, so see, tailor has 18 meters. This 18 meter is divided equally into 9 shirts, right? They are divided equally into 9 shirts. So 18 is divided among or with 9 shirt. So 18 divided by 9. So what you should do? You should first put the table for the division and you should write the dividend, which is 18 here inside and 9 outside. Now which is the highest place value? Tens. In place of tens you have 1. So what you should do? You should start telling 9 table. 9 into 0 is equal to 0. 9 ones are 9. So see, here you have 1 and here you have 9. 9 ones are 9. So you cannot use 9 ones are 9. You should go to the number before, which is 9 zeros are 0. So 9 multiplied with 0 gives you 0. And then 1 minus 0 is 0. So what you should do? You should bring, 1 minus 0 is 1. Any number subtracted from 0 will give you the same number. So you will write 1 down and bring the next number down, which is a. Now you got 18. So what you should do? You should start telling 9 tables. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 9 multiplied with 2 gives you 18. Now you should subtract it. 18 minus 18 is 0. Any number subtracted from the same number will give you 0. So your answer is 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Okay. So 2 meter will be, you should write 2 meter is required for 1 shirt. Now the second sum. A bike can cover 240 km with 5 liters of petrol. How many kilometers does it cover with 1 liter of petrol? Now 240 kilometers with 5 liters of petrol. The question is, how many kilometers with 1 liter of petrol. Bike covers 240 kilometers in 5 liters and they are asking how many kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. So what you should do first is you should look into the kilometers. This 240 kilometer is equally covered by 5 liters. So for 1 liter you should divide this into 5, right? So 240 should be divided among 5 liters. Now you should put the table and you should write 240 inside and 5 outside. Now what you should do? You should start telling 5 table. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Here you have in the highest place value 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So you should go to the number before, which is 5 zeros are 0. So 5 multiplied with 0 will give you 0. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. 2 minus 0 is 2. Next you should bring the next number down, which is 4, and you should start telling 5 tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 24 is smaller than 25, but 24 is greater than 20. So what you should use? You should use 5 fours are 20. So 5 multiplied with 4 gives you 20. Now what you should do? You should subtract. 4 minus 0 is any number subtracted from 0 will be the same number. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So you have 2 and you are going to subtract 1, 2. How many is remaining? 0. So you got 4 as your answer. Then what you should do? You should bring the next number down, which is 0. Now you should start telling 5 tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. So 5 multiplied with 8 gives you 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. Okay, so there are 3 more sums in the same way. What you wanna do is you are going to read the question carefully and then understand what the question is telling. After that you have to solve. Okay, so first one I'll read the third question and I'll make you to understand it. Mr. Siddharth purchased 11 toys of same price for rupees 946 from a toy shop. Find the cost of each toys. Okay, so what he did is he gave rupees 946 for 11 toys. So to find out the cost of one toy, what you should do is you have to divide 946 by 11. Okay, the next question is the annual income of a person is 90,912. Find his monthly income. So in annual means 1 year. 1 year contains how many months? 12 months, right? So they are asking what is the income of for 1 month. So what you should do is you should divide 90,912 by 12 because there are 12 months in 1 year. You want only 1 year. So you should divide 90,912 by 12. Okay. So the last question is a car manufacturing company manufactures 14,820 cars in 13 months. Find the number of cars manufactured in 1 month. So what you should do? You should divide 14,820 by 13. Okay. So finish the sums and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye.